Hello guys, please take shorthand dictation from Sir Kailash Chandra's. Exercise 17. Start. I am pleased to be here with you to inaugurate the ambitious new project. This is a bold experiment in mobilizing people's action for poverty eradication and social justice. It is revolutionary yet peaceful, well planned yet human, simple in conception yet powerful in potential. I congratulate the government and the people of Kerala for designing a poverty eradication program with such tremendous potential. With this new initiative, Kerala has given yet another big push to its progressive traditions. Your state has always prided itself in the high quality of life enjoyed by its majority. By focusing on creation of human capital, giving priority to education, health, food security and social security, Kerala has the best indicators of human development in the country. With this project, your state has begun a novel venture to bring the benefits of social development to the disadvantaged section in society that has still remained poor. Para. This approach is in keeping with Kerala's tradition success in achieving social development through the process of awareness building, public demand and government response. However, new project goes beyond what has been done before because for the first time it makes the members of the scheme an integral part of it. Most important of all, you have made women at the local level leaders and implementers of this scheme. Frankly, I cannot think of any such poverty alleviation program in the country which combines the multiple social objectives of women's empowerment, grassroots participation in a Panchayati Raj framework, neighborhood networking, democratic accountability, and increasing savings. I see several opportunities in the new project. The ban of our poverty alleviation programs has been that they are mostly supply driven with subsidies being doled out from above without considering local needs and possibilities. This marks a refreshing change in that it gives primacy of self-help and only an supporting role to government subsidies. By promoting thrift, it affords opportunities for attractive credit from banks besides teaching prudence to the poor families. Group savings and group action can remove the curse of moneylenders. Since the whole system is organized transparently, the thrift and saving groups can become informal banks for the poor and of the poor. This project has a great advantage due to its focus on women. Poor women are the best savers and the most careful spenders. They do not borrow indiscriminately and become heavily indebted to the lender. Thank you.